Welcome to Tigerlily, our 42-foot Choily sailboat that we've sailed from Seattle to Mexico. This is Colby, I'm Mariah, and these are our two cats, Namiria and Took. We're out to explore the Sea of Cortez this year, and we really hope you'll follow along and enjoy our adventures. We're going to dinner with Pythia tonight in Pichilingue. I don't know if did we find that we got here? Oh no, because the SD card was full. Well, we dropped anchor. We dropped anchor in Pichilingue.
It's called Playa Pichilingue.
Playa Pichilingue.
It's just north of Bahia Falsa, about an hour and a half, 2 hours north of La Paz.
Super pretty.
There's a campsite and a couple restaurants.
It looks like a hotel and something. There's only a couple boats here. Not a bad spot. I think we're only going to stay here for a couple nights. And then we are going to head out to the islands, to Espiritu Santo, and then keep heading towards Loreto. So we're like officially done with the pause for the season. I think it's starting to rain. You can see all the rain.
Close. Let's go be a sunset cat. Oh, look, there's cat number 2. Hi, cat number 2. Come on, dude, let's go. Wanna go walk the deck? Come on, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I saw a trash can up at the local campsite, so I'm gonna go use it. Take out some trash before we leave here for a couple weeks. Oh, let's go do that. In the boat with trash.
Hopefully in this video I'll be able to use some and we have enough B-roll, but some of our friends that have exactly the same boat as us have told us or allowed us to use some of their music, which we both have really fell in love with. I think it's so our vibe, and they said we could use some for our videos. So if I have enough long B-roll footage for this video, I'm gonna insert it in there, and you'll see on the bottom of the screen I'm gonna put what song and the Lark and the Loon. I think it'll be really cool, and yeah, their music is totally the vibe of our videos. It's like the chill, indie, like folky, bluegrassy kind of music that we both love. So, ow!
Claws.
Dig your claws into me, sir, please. Look at these talons. I need to cut them. Anyways, yeah, so I hope you enjoy whenever said song comes up.
There's a pictograph of languages infused that smell. Sail on, sail on. The water's getting high and the tide's about to drive by. Sail on, sail on. Clouds swept the sky in the night. It is night, night. Sail on, sail on. Yet our lives just merge themselves together under the light of the moon. Spare this distance and silence your hymns of sorrow. I have come home, come home. But I never forgot her with my time out on come home. And I couldn't dream without you in my net and dream to sleep with fish too. Come home. Make a wish out on the prairie. Now make one to see you soon. May our thoughts all be tied together under the light of the moon. Grab the ropes and haul
Come here.
the sails away.
What are you doing?
Go, let
What are you
go.
doing?
My heart no longer aches, and my sorrows I can shake now. Let go, let go. Some ecstasy, a smile, I'm gonna hold you for a while. I won't let go, let go. Listen to the meadowlark on the prairie. Hear the calling of the moon. It matters not where we are upon this rock, so long as it's under the light of the moon. Under the light of the moon.
So you can see the bottom. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but you can see the bottom, which is very cool. And you can see it shallows up like right there. There? Yeah. And, but I think we're okay. Hey Jeff, how does the sound of autopilot? That's on the house. And we are good.
No, I haven't felt the water yet. Been stuck in the house for a month.
Alright.
Are you coming?
On my paddleboard?
Yeah.
I was gonna jump in first.
Oh, okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
I haven't had a shower in probably close to a week now. So this is gonna be my shower. Ha! Ah! Oh yeah. Whew. Wash all the bits. Wash all the bits. Oh yeah. Ah.
We are back from our paddleboard excursion. It got a little windy out there, so it was a bit much to get back, but it's fine. Colby's making pizza dough because we are having pizza tonight. We are exploring the the 30-minute walk across on Isla Perdida. Well, I think we're still on, no, I think we're in Isla Perdida now. Yeah, there's a 30-minute hike. I keep calling it a hike. There's a 30-minute walk across the bay. And we're gonna walk all the way over to the other side. They say it takes about 30 minutes. Oh yeah, there were some over there too. Come here. We are back from our hike and I'm prepping some pasta salad that we're going to be eating for dinner tonight, but I want it to cool down a bit. So I made this for Christmas when we had Christmas with a bunch of cruisers, and it's a elote pasta salad. And it is really good. It's become one of our favorite things to make. I'm super sad that we're almost out of the elote seasoning, but I found a recipe to make your own elote seasoning. So that's what I'm going to start doing as soon as this is out, because it's almost gone. Tell the people what happened.
So today's beach day turned terrible.
Supposed to be.
So we were motoring along to the beach, and all of a sudden the engine stopped engineing. We stopped going forward. The engine was still running, but the clutch was in gear, but it wasn't going anywhere. The propeller wasn't spinning. So I've been here, as you can see, making a mess, and I just took the lower end off the motor to see if I can figure out what's going on, because I don't think the issue's up there. I think the issue's down here. I haven't had issues with this motor since we left, or for a very, very long time. It was my grandpa's motor. I have to figure out what's going on, otherwise we're gonna be paddleboarding everywhere. So
Not good for provisioning.
not
on
good
a
for
paddleboard.
not good for provisioning. Not good if you don't have a water maker, because then you're gonna be jerry canning on a paddleboard.
Which would take like 3 times as long.
Yeah, and 3 times as hard. So, yeah, I'm gonna try my best to figure it out.
Please stop saying "oh no" in
The
that
actual
tone.
drive shaft snapped.
That does not sound good.
No.
I don't know what that is, but
It's not good. So this part up here connects to the actual engine, right? So this whole thing spins and comes down into the drive lower end and spins a bunch of gears, which in turns the propeller. Well, the shaft that spins all that, as you can see here,
oh god.
is just completely sheared off.
Which means we either have to find that part or...
Either have to find that part or that's it. Okay, well.
So we're not leaving.
Good morning or afternoon, wherever the hell it is. We are back in La Paz, nice and cloudy day, yay. It just so happens that we are here for the weekend of Carnival, so that'll be fun. We got in here early this morning, around 6 a.m. And first thing I do is go try and pick up that new drive shaft for the motor. Turns out it's a different spline at the top, so it won't work for this motor. I talked to multiple machine shops and welders to see if anyone can weld it for me, knowing that it's not the greatest fix, but enough to get by. No one will do it. I don't know where people say that Mexico is the best place to get machine work done and stuff like that, but it hasn't been that experience for me so far. So what that means is, don't bite me. What that means is that motor, for now, is dead. I mean, the motor works fine, it's just the drive shaft. So I'm not throwing away, I'm not getting rid of it, but I am gonna store it on board away somewhere, because right now it's dead. When I get back to the States, I'll get it fixed or get a new shaft made or something. But we can't spend the rest of our year here in Mexico without an outboard. So that's what I'm about to do. Got on the net this morning here in La Paz, found out there was a 15 horsepower motor, and I think that is what we're gonna go get. And yeah, hopefully it'll all work out okay, but we'll see. All right, back from the excursion. Had to go to a few banks to pull out enough cash to get it. But there's our new 15 horse. May look a little decrepit, but still runs good.
This is